This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura TSX. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a power moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an electronic throttle, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, a stability control system, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 28,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.